Lily, contestant 1. Griffin, contestant 2.
Yeah.
Who do you think will win? We shall now start the contest. We will be starting the contest with Lily. Dun dun dun! Lily, do you think you can win this?
Yeah!
You shall start burping now. That's all I can do. Okay?
That's all I can do.
Perfect. I was just about to ask you to stop. I mean, you're pretty good for your age.
My age is 6.
Mm-hmm. Second, Griffin will be burping. Dun dun dun!
I love the Griffin.
Griffin, do you think you can win this?
Yes.
Okay. You may start burping in 3, 2, 1, go! What the heck? What is that? Start again. You may start burping again in 3, 2, 1. Ding! Go.
Mister, that is not a burp. This is a burp.
Ooh!
And the winner is, drum roll please, Lily! Thank you, thank you, thank you everybody. Hello, this is Lily, and for winning you get this, thing, yeah, a thing. It's so pretty! Thank you for giving me this pretty thing! I'm drinking the beer.
Loser drinking beer.
Awesome!